This is our 8 days and 7 nights in Da Nang and Hoi An, Vietnam. We ride one of the longest cable car in the world going up to Bana Hills. Witness the Golden Bridge with fog and rain. Embrace the cold weather that felt like Europe. And experience the magical beauty of French village at night. Nga murabag na aka sa Paris or Italy. Wala nakaingon gud mig thank you Lord. Worth it gud among overtime. And Caleb enjoyed the fantasy park. Next in the itinerary is the Vain Wonders. Kani pila gyud ni siya ka ektarya nga park mo nang kinahanglan gyud mi mo sakay ani ilang gitawag og buggy. We experienced riding a boat to go around the river safari. Diri gyud mi nakakitag kalain-laing mga hayop, apil na ang zebra o tiger. Nakita mo ana, nagbinata ang senior citizen. And of course, we made sure nga happy ang amuang toddler. Nitan-aw sad mi sa ilahang bird show pero wa gyud mi nakasabot kay Vietnam ilang language dili English. Og usa ni sa iya mga banh mi moments among favorite nga food didto. Unya wasad mi na inform no nga apil din ni si Caleb sa ilahang performance. Wara ba ni apil sa ilang rehearsal? Kani akong anak no very animal lover. Wa gyud niya gipalampas ang deer. Nya nagsoy-sory sad mi sa ilahang night market. Pero wa gyud mi kataka sa ilahang kusog nga uwan ug baha. Pero kani man god is UNESCO World Heritage. Next is riding a coconut boat in the coconut village. Next is the cruise. Then we have the dinner buffet. And then the Hoi An outdoor memory show. It's a must gyud if you will go to Vietnam. And misakay mi og cruise just to witness sa pagbuga sa kayo og tubig sa dragon in the Dragon Bridge. And on our last day, wa na ko kay bog pilang adlaw na naamuang nilabay, visit mi sa ilahang Marble Mountain. To wrap it all, Vietnam trip was cheap, beautiful, and magical. Makaingon na lang gyud kag anyari sayo Pilipinas. Kay pag uli na mo, everything was mahal ang plite, mahal ang pamaliton. And now, back to reality.